Is your garage door making strange noises or refusing to open? These common issues could be putting your home at risk. Garage doors endure constant use and exposure to the elements, leading to wear and tear over time. Broken springs are a frequent problem, often caused by rust or lack of maintenance, and can be dangerous to fix on your own. A malfunctioning opener can disrupt your routine, with issues ranging from dead remote batteries to misaligned sensors. Garage doors can come off their tracks due to impact damage or worn rollers, making them inoperable. Noisy operations might indicate loose hardware or lack of lubrication, which can lead to bigger problems if ignored. Frayed or broken cables are critical issues that need immediate professional attention to ensure safe operation. Damaged panels from weather or accidents not only look bad, but can also compromise the door's integrity. Rollers that are worn or obstructed by debris can hinder smooth door movement and need regular maintenance. Faulty weather stripping can let in drafts and pests, reducing your garage's energy efficiency. Keep your garage door running smoothly and safely with regular maintenance.